Pretty. Look how pretty my coffee is. It's so cute, isn't it? Love it. Okay, we're prepping today. I'm going to pick up some new cloths. Look at this. Look at this, it's so cute. It's with the scarves of the girlfriend, boyfriend, you know? It's like this. Do you want to know what it means? It means, here you have my heart and the key to open it. I have nothing else to give you, and you don't have nothing else to ask me for. It's very simple poetry, but you know, it kind of rings, and oh my god, it's so sweet. So sweet, so sweet, so sweet. Nem a rosa da roseira, nem outra flor, nem qualquer outra. Not even the rose from the rose bush, not even any other flower, not even the full spring, worth more than your love. It's so cute. It's Portuguese poetry, and it's written by the ladies from the village and things like that. And they would do these embroideries, very lively embroideries, and then they would in scarves, and then they would drop it on the floor, and then the boys would pick it up, and then if they would return their love, they would be happy. It would be like a match or something like that. So that's it. It's very sweet. I'm drinking coffee love as well with a heart. Awesome. Let's put this in the back. We have this there. Look at this. It's a little bit lively kitchen, isn't it? Now, okay, so I'm going to prepare first something which is for the bread. I'm going to measure my flour. What's happening? I swear to God. I think that my scales are getting messy now. Okay, let me see. Unit, grams. No, I'm measuring. Let's measure. Measure with me. Grams of flour. I'm going to show you